Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't enable your PS5 count as home or enable it. So what we want to do is go to settings right here and then going down to users and account. And then I'm going to go to other and then go to where it says console sharing offline play. And then I'm going to go to enable right here. So if I go to this, it's going to give me this pop-up that says can't enable. So what I want to do is go to my old PlayStation, wherever I have this set as home, and then I want to go to where it says disable. So it should give me the option to disable it right here. Otherwise, we can do it from the PlayStation website, and I'll show you how to do that. So you have to disable it, come back to your new PlayStation 5, and then go to enable. You can only have one PlayStation set as home at a time. So that is why you're getting this error. You already have a PlayStation set as home. So first disable it, then enable it right here. Now let's go on over to my computer and I'll show you how to do this remotely. So just go to where it says PlayStation.com, very simple, and then sign in on the top right. And then go on over to where it says account settings. Now under account settings, what we want to do is go to this option right here. There should be an option at the bottom. If you scroll on down, it'll be device management. And then we can go to PlayStation consoles active. And then I can go to where it says deactivate all. So if I go to deactivate all right there, that will deactivate my PS5 remotely. And then I can go back to that setting on my PS5, and then I should be able to re-enable it under there. Now I already have my PS4 set as home, and I'm sharing PS Plus with one of my cousins or a nephew, and I don't want to disable it for all consoles. If I do it online, it's going to do my PS4 and my PS5 at the same time. So if you're sharing it with a friend, you're going to have to sign back in or have them go to your account and then re-enable it on that PlayStation specifically. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.